Is Thinx Period Underwear a game changer or just another overhyped product? I've been using them for a while, and here's my honest take. Thinx offers a range of styles designed to replace or supplement traditional period products. Many users report that the underwear is comfortable and effective, with some styles holding up to 12 tampons worth of fluid, making them suitable for various flow levels and even overnight use. However, it's important to note that Thinx has faced legal challenges regarding the presence of per- and polyfluoroalkyl substances, PFAS, in their products. While the company has denied these allegations and asserts that their products are PFAS-free, independent studies have detected these chemicals in some of their products. In summary, Thinx Period Underwear offers comfort and convenience, but potential concerns about chemical safety may influence your decision. Want more honest product reviews? Hit like and follow for the next one.